Hi everyone, it was great to meet you at our open house this weekend. My name is Tanin Teston. I'm one half of the Teston team, Orlando real estate experts. If you're not already working with an agent, we would love the opportunity to help you with your next purchase or selling your house. Feel free to go to our Teston team website to check out more information that will help you on what to know when buying a house, as well as prepping your house for the market. As we mentioned, we did a raffle for all of those who came in and saw us this weekend, and these two beautiful homes that we have in Cypress Lakes. Our winner of the gift basket, which was donated by First American Title, is Lindsay S. Only one Lindsay S came in, so you know who you are. I'll drop this off at your house later on today. Congratulations. Our next winner of the Amazon gift card, again donated by First American Title in Waterford Lakes, is Moya A. So Moya, congratulations. I'll drop this off in the mail and you'll get this at your house as well. If you have any questions on any of the homes that you see, whether they're online or in person, feel free to give me a call. You can call, text, or email, or if you want to see any of these homes again for a second showing, reach out and we can set that up. I'll be staying in touch and keeping you updated on the Orlando real estate market, and I wish you all the best of luck in finding your next home.